Okay. Okay,
So
Ronnie.
last time we saw that in recent versions of Fluent, for example, 2024, uh, we need another argument for this macro
Okay.
because I'm using an older version.
Mm-hmm.
I added these the same instructions as in this block, but
Okay.
without that extra argument.
Okay.
So just to compile it and make it work here in my computer,
Mm-hmm.
I will uncomment this part and see if it works.
Okay.
And the dynamics of the um, loading and hooking of the UDF is the same.
Okay.
So I will stop sharing this part of the code and I will start sharing the case that Samuel sent us. So if
Okay. Thank
everything
you.
is the same, it should be okay. It's still loading.
So I think you will have to initialize the case so that it will start.
Okay, okay. I think you sent us already data
Yeah,
for
the
this
case and
case.
data. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So even with that data, do I have to initialize the case?
Well, I was just asking because I don't know if it will, when you are uploading the UDF, it will start
Okay.
directly.
Well, maybe just to check, we can see some results. Okay, though this doesn't have anything. So I suppose I have to load the data. Let's see. Ah, here it is. So I loaded the data that you sent us. Is that okay, someone?
Yeah.
So to load the UDF, you just have to go here to user defined, compiled, add. If you have a previously created UDF library, please delete it or put it with another name. And I don't remember where I have the file.
Okay.
I think it's in desktop. Mm, will better paste this. This is the file, dcarv1.c,
Mm-hmm.
and with the built-in compiler, try to build the UDF library again. Okay, there are some troubles here. Mm, I think I uncommented the wrong
Mm,
stuff. Let me check it. Okay, so comment this and uncomment the other. Hmm, no, it's not that one. Hmm, no, it's not working. I don't know why. But it's the same mistake that we already fixed about the number of arguments. Hmm. Hmm. No, Hardon, do you have the version that we tried to load the other day?
mm,
Because it still says that it has an extra argument, but,
let me check.
but it,
I
it
have
shouldn't have.
the last version you shared with me, right? Yes, let me check. Wait me a second. Because I don't have it in this computer. Let me download it.
Okay, thanks.
But I don't know if this is the last version, Rodrigo.
But it was supposed to be this one,
Mm,
but I don't know why it's not recognizing the changes.
changes. Let me download it. This one. Oh, the one I have. I don't know. What changes did you do to the UDF?
It's just some alloc storage, something.
Hmm,
Uh,
let me check here. The car, organization. Open with. Mm, mm, mm.
because this is the last one that I have.
Mm, here, no, the one that I have don't have your comments for the versions.
Okay, okay.
So no, I don't think it's a previous
Well,
version.
let me fix this then.
Okay.
I don't know why it's appearing again. And it's only in the scalar ellipse and scalar reconstruction.
Okay.
Do you need the last, are you talking about the one we last used?
No, we did some changes to the last one that we
Oh, okay,
used,
okay. I thought, okay.
but because of the versions, we changed some commands, but now it's not recognizing the old commands.
Yes, the problem is that you are working on some version, Samuel, and Rodrigo is have another version. I have
But
another version, and each
last
Uh,
time was
version
okay.
changes
which,
the things.
Or maybe if I
which
can share
version,
it with Samuel, I
which version?
can.
Okay,
I think that will be better.
I try to upload it here, right?
No, no, no. I will upload this version of the UDF
Yes,
with.
the one that Rodrigo has is the latest version.
Okay.
Okay, so I think Rodrigo is going to send you the UDF.
With the changes already for your version.
Uh-huh.
Is it on WeChat, right?
Yeah,
Or
on WeChat.
or you send it on anyone on this group?
Or yeah, maybe in this chat, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's weird because last time we worked on it was with.
Rodrigo, can you comment that the before you send to Samuel, can you put on comment the one that is for your version and set as if Samuel is going to use it
Yes,
directly?
it's already done.
Okay, good.
So I hope it was only that this version didn't recognize that stuff.
Yes.
Okay, I just send it, Samuel.
Okay.
I will download it also to have the latest version.
Yes,
Okay, yes.
and I will keep trying to get this work because last time it was working okay. I don't know what happened.
I don't know.
Sometimes it's just misspellings or some stuff like that.
Yes. I don't know if the calculation variables has something to be with.
Maybe. Because last time we did it with the big case, right?
Yes, the EIF. And now we are working with the simplified. And I think the EAF has, for example, a slack. So I don't know if it's due to the indexes of the species and the
I
physics.
remember it was biphasic, right, Samuel?
Okay.
So did you download the UTF, Samuel?
Oh, yes, I already downloaded it.
Okay, can you share the screen?
Yes.
Put the UDF on a folder that you know. Please.
Oh, I think what's going on. I had to download the latest version
Mm,
to work with my student, with Sebastian. So I think it's the the UDF library that builds all the stuff, it's taking it from the latest version.
I'm trying to
I think so.
find it now. This is it.
I will try to do that. Yes, maybe
I'm
that's.
I'm trying it now.
Okay, but
There, you are seeing the screen, right?
yes, yes, we're seeing.
No, no, sorry. Now I'm watching.
Okay, yes. Samuel just had the
Nice.
source
There.
and it's compiling the.
Uh,
Mm, four
Uh,
errors.
and they
Well,
are the
next
same
four.
error, right?
yes, the same.
Ah, but you're using 22.2 version?
This one?
Uh-huh.
The ANSYS version. Which version is?
Oh, maybe I open it with the 22.
And this version that are just some sort of magic spell.
Let me see what one is this. Okay, I think I will have to reopen and see.
Yes, yes, don't worry.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, I think it's almost the same that happened to me. I opened it with another version. So
Mm,
we made the same mistake along many kilometers.
okay.
Okay, let me try again with this one.
Okay, let's
Okay.
check.
Okay.
8
Okay.
warnings.
Now they are warnings.
Yes, just warnings. So it could work. That's
Can I load?
Yes, yes, please click on load. So that happens because the people in ANSYS changed the number of arguments of different macros across all the UDF library. But that began in the version 2024 or something. So these UDF can work in more recent versions. There's no problem.
Okay.
So if you see in the console, there are two UDFs. adjust gradient and decarborization. But before to or hook the UDF, you need to put in the console the following commands.
Okay.
Yes, there.
So
Yes,
I'm
yes, there.
putting it in the chat.
Okay.
So what does that command do is to enable non-linearized mass transfer coefficients. So you just have to copy and paste it into the console
Then enter, right?
and enter. And there
Okay.
you go. And also you have to allocate the number of UDMs.
Mm-hmm.
I think we have at least 6 UDMs. Just to be sure, allocate 10. So that is in parameters and customization memory, right?
On the memory, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And
Uh,
number of memory location 10.
how much? 10?
Yes, just to be sure, we used 6, but a little buffer is okay.
What about the memory location? The node?
No,
Not
no, that's okay.
okay.
So 10, 0, and okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay, right, okay.
Mhm. And to hook the UDFs, you have to go to function hooks in the user-defined ribbon,
Okay.
and there in adjust, it's active now in edit.
Huh?
Adjust, the adjust row.
The second row. The second. Yes, there.
Okay.
Edit. Okay. Yes.
Mhm.
I'll try take this one, right?
And click on add, and okay,
Okay.
and okay again. So that's the UDF that computes the gradient of the volume fraction and all of that stuff. And to hook the mass transfer coefficient, go to the multi-phase panel. And in the interactions panel, heat and mass. Instead of constant rate, there should be
User
user
Yes,
defined.
defined,
defined.
right?
Yes.
And there's
Okay.
only one.
Then apply,
Wow.
right?
Yes.
And apply, yes. So if we don't put that TUI command solve set expert, it says that you have to enter a linearized mass transfer coefficient, which is not the case. So that TUI command is just to make to force Fluent to accept a non-linearized mass transfer coefficient. And close. So, for example, please open a contour or in graphics. Graphics contour. And now in the contours of option, there are new categories like user-defined memory.
User defined memory.
Uh-huh. Those weren't there before. So if I remember correct, user-defined memory 0, it's the magnitude of the gradient. 1 is the gradient of volume fraction. The second one is, I think it's the interfacial area. We have a little chart. I can send it to you when I find my phone.
Okay.
But
Uh,
I think the most important is the UDM5 because UDM5 is the rate of decarburization.
these
So if you
are
select that now, it's zero.
these are these are
Mm.
memory five, right?
Yes,
Yes.
that's.
Later, if you want, we can change the name to whatever we want. But maybe for trial, just remember them.
So user memory five is the categorization, right?
Yeah, user memory 5 is decarburization rate.
Wait, okay.
Mhm.
So
Oh, and
should I
maybe
select
you
them?
can make it run a little bit just
Just
to see if it does something.
Should
One
I?
iteration.
Yeah, should I display this one?
Uh, no, because it's zero.
Okay.
But I don't know if Professor Hardon uh, it's decoupling the mass transfer. So
Should I continue running it, or I don't need to?
just put
I,
one time step.
I don't need to restart it, right?
No, I don't think so.
no, no, but I don't know if you're decoupling the fluid flow from the mass transfer. So you freeze the flow and then calculate mass transfer like we usually do.
Yes, go to controls.
It's like a weak
Control.
coupling.
On controls, on solution controls. There. And on equations, the bottom part, equations. From the three last buttons, you have equations, yes. What we usually do is that we first calculate the vectors, the fluid flow. Then we deactivate the flow, the volume fraction, the turbulence and energy, and then we do the decarburization. So at first we do the calculation on steady state, and then we calculate the species equations. So what we do is deactivate the flow, the volume, turbulence, and energy equations.
We deactivate this flow,
Yes,
right?
just check, just
Volume fraction.
yes, also and turbulence. I think energy could be important to be because you have a reaction. Maybe it will change something. So there, just like that.
That's all.
Click on OK. Yes, but what you must be sure is that your the fluid flow is going to be perfectly calculated before deactivating the equations. So the calculation is going to be faster, and you're going only to do in transition state the decarburization rate, but we can discuss that later, okay?
Yeah, because I really need to know that technique so
Yes,
that
it's just to allow us to save some time, okay? But for now, just calculate that. Okay, so just run the calculation, some iterations. And as you are going to see, it's not
hey,
he should okay. Maybe we need to initialize, but okay,
yeah,
okay, so what you are going to do is calculating the just the fluid flow on a steady state. Okay, don't activate the decarburization for now. We're just going to calculate the fluid flow, and then once we have the fluid flow completely developed, and also change the direction of the gravity, okay, we can try to run the carburization UDF. but I think it's easier if we do as the way we usually do. On your computer, Rodrigo, the UDF is working. It
No,
runs
let
some.
let me restart the case.
Okay.
And I agree that, or I agree to disagree that the species mass transfer or the reaction is not okay because carbon is getting from the liquid steel and transferred to the atmosphere
Mhm.
into oxygen. So
Yes.
I think that it doesn't conserve the mass,
Yes, I also
but
try.
I think we have to check that.
Yes. Yes, I'm going to check that from the manuals to see how it works.
But it seems that you can do it without problem.
Yes, yes, I think so. But it's going to need to be checked. Okay, so I don't know, Rodrigo. We have
I'm I'm
the
opening the the,
okay,
the case.
okay. Go ahead. Yes, you need to work to run the BOF, but without the interactions first. Then we can activate the interactions and
Yeah, Doc, I cannot get you what you are saying presently on that one.
yes, it's like you run the calculation without the species transport, and then you activate the species transport when you have the how do you say the full develop
Flow
cavity.
field.
Yes, once you have the cavity full develop, then you activate the species transport. But first, use BOF, use the volume fractions, and then we are going to change the species. I don't know if we need to set it earlier.
Yeah.
The fact is
Rodrigo,
that
yeah,
or maybe we
let me
can calculate and then
let me share
restart
or
the
you're
species
going to share.
transport.
Hello?
Yes, yes, Samuel.
I said, let me share the screen or Rodrigo is going to share.
Rodrigo is going
No,
to share,
I'm
right?
going to share. I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
starting the calculation or to see if the UDF is working now. No,
No?
no.
Okay,
But I can check it during the week
okay.
and we can have another meeting and check if the species transfer is it's okay.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yes, I also am going to check that. I'm going to you share with us the calculation. Where I'm going to try to run the calculation on a steady state and have a base case to do the trials. Okay. And I'm going to check the that part that concerns me, the change of species from one phase to other,
Hmm.
just to be sure that is all correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe Samuel, you can check the warnings that the UDF is sending to you. Maybe you can uh, find the the difference on that is sent you to you.
Yeah, if you want to check the commands that changes along versions, Samuel, you can go to the help page and there is something called migration manual. and it changes version from version, and there it's documented the changes that they made to the solver and to the libraries and all of that.
Mm,
I can
that
send
that
you,
document is on the ANSYS help.
yes, ANSYS help.
Okay.
I can
Mm,
send you the migration manual from my version
okay.
uh, and see what does it change.
Okay. Yeah, it's just we need to check why it's not working.
Yes, I think it's not working in my computer because I had another installation.
Mm, the compiler, maybe?
Yeah, the compiler, I think. But
Mm,
for Samuel, it compiles.
yes,
So,
it's
but
compiler.
does Fluent shut down?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the
Okay.
shutdown. What really causes those problems? Is it because we didn't initialize it or what?
No, maybe there is some index wrong in the UDF. So that's why it's important to have like for every case, have all the threads and their indexes and the species of all the indexes. Because if you mismatch one of those, Fluent goes directly into no memory allowed and crashes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So maybe or the the problem is the last UDF that was working was made tailored to the case of the EAF, and maybe something changed in this case, and therefore there is some mismatch between the indexes.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I think the EAF, I think we use the slug. No, but I don't think we didn't use the slug. It just there, but I didn't use it. We have that boundary,
Yes,
but
I remember it was only atmosphere and liquid steel,
uh,
and it
yeah,
worked. Hardon saw that it worked
on the
Yes.
on the on the EAF, right?
on the EAFs. Yes, so
Yes.
let me check this simplified case that you sent us, just to see if there is any mismatch between our indexes and the indexes in this simplified case. And
Yes.
just maybe we can work with two versions, but that's the problem. We have to be very specific and very well documented in all of those changes,
Yes.
because even a little wrong click causes 6F.
Okay.
Yes.
And I think I opened the case without problem, but the UDF is not working, so it's just the compiler, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But we can work on your simplified case then, Samuel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we're going to start working with that and see what's happening. Okay.
So you have the cases now, right? The one I sent.
Yes,
Yes.
the one you sent earlier today.
Yeah, because I sent one again because it got last that you cannot open the last one. I don't know what's happened with that case. It's just the same case that I sent again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so nice to hear from you guys. Uh,
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. 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 Yes, we're working. I will working also, so we can check some advances.
So
Okay.
so when you get a proper result, you will let me know back, right? Then we arrange another meeting.
Yes. Yes, someone.
Okay.
Yes. I see, Rodrigo. Okay. So yes, but Then I will explain to you. I will prepare an explanation for you so you
Okay.
can understand the thing that we can use solve some equations at first and
o-
then change to the other.
Okay.
But yes, I will prepare something, some short, but for next meeting to so
Okay.
you can understand how we are working. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay, so
Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
I will send you also the names of the UDMs later.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
also.
Yeah. Okay.
So try to check if you can see some some issues on the UDF family, but we are going to work for next week.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so I'll see you
Yeah.
next week. We keep in touch. Something if you find something, tell us and we meet earlier.
Okay.
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 Okay. So
Thank
okay, Rodrigo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You
Bye.
Thank you.
see you. Bye.